Alam mo yung nag-tandem yung dalawang dahilan para magka-diabetes ka. Ang sarap. Guys, quick pre-run meal lang tayo. Nagluto si Shai ng pancake kasi magja-jogging kami after this. Guys, first bite. Wow. The caramel is so good. After this, pahinga lang konti, tapos tatakbo kami ni Shine. The goal is to run 5 kilometers today. Ng less than 40 minutes. Kaya natin?
I don't know.
5 kilometers in less than 40 minutes. Try natin, guys. Mag-fuel up muna tayo gamit tong pancake na Shine. Up. No. This is the kind of sweetness I need in my life.
It's good, right?
Tsaka yung caramel and maple syrup combi.
Puro asukal.
Ay! Yan. Asukal, asukal, asukal. Sarap.
Pati yung butter. Hanapin mo sa showcase yan, baka nandun sila.
Maple.